Let's start now. Today's lesson, write expressions. Firstly, this is the meaning of expression. An expression is a mathematical phrase that combines number, operation signs, and sometimes variables, but doesn't have equal sign. We have two types of expressions. The first is called numerical expression. The numerical expression, it is a mathematical phrase that includes only numbers and operation sign. Like, for example, 9 minus 5, 8 multiply 6, 7 plus 3, 1 plus 7. Any sentence has numbers and operation symbol, it's called numerical expression. But here, without result. Without result. We have algebraic expression. This is a second type of expressions. This expression has a letter. It has a letter. This letter is called variable. This letter is called variable. The letter or symbol that can stand for one or more numbers. Firstly, these words represent the addition. If you find these words in the sentence, it means we use the addition sign. Sum, add, plus, more than, increase. These words represent the addition in the expression. Words represent subtraction, difference, minus, decrease, less than, subtract. These words represent the subtraction. We use minus if we find these words in the expression.
Mr. Also,
Words represent multiplication, product, multiply, times, each. These words, if we find these words, we use the multiply in the expression. Words represent division, quotient, divided, equally. Okay, again, words represent the addition, sum, add, plus, more than, increase. Words represents subtraction, difference, minus, decrease, less than, subtract. Words represent multiplication, product, multiply, times, each. And words represent division, quotient, divided, equally. Now, the first part. Write a numerical expression for each of the following. Numerical expression, we said, we use numbers and operation sign only. For example, Terry drives 26 miles on Monday and 90 miles on Tuesday. And here means a plus. For that, the expression will be 26 plus 90. 26 plus 90. Here, guys, without result. We write the expression only, without result. B, 27 less than 80. Less than, as we said, this from words of the subtraction. But if you have less than, we start by the number after it. And this will be 80 minus 27. 80 minus 27. Another example, 7 plus the quotient of 72 divided by 9. It will be 7 plus, plus means plus, right? The word sign plus, and the quotient means divide, 72 divided by 9. We write 72 divided by 9. Another example, Jews divided 12 party favors equally among 6 friends. Divided. We write the sign divide. 12 divided by 6. Okay. Uh, we'll do this part in the sheet firstly. Where is this? Okay. As we said here, this is the meaning of the expression. It is a mathematical phrase that combines numbers, operation, signs, and sometimes variable, as we said. The numerical expression, it is the mathematical phrase use numbers and only operation signs. طيب. Okay. Number one. Write a numerical expression for each of the following. 30 drives 26 miles on Monday and 90 miles on Tuesday. Write the expression. Uh, ياسين ها ياسين الضويني.
Here will be 29
26
20, 26
26
plus 90.
plus 90 only. Yes. Okay. Huh? B 27 less than 80. Less than 80. Less than means plus or minus, guys. Hmm? Less than means
Minus.
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 And we start by the number after it. Okay. عمرو. Yes, يا عمرو.
Mister,
Yes.
I don't understand.
Okay, يا حبيبي. Here, يا عمرو, we write only the expression. We write the mathematical sentence. We use the numbers and the operation sign. Okay. Less than here means minus. Less than from the words of the subtraction. We write only the expression. We start by the number after less than. يعني it will be 80 minus 27 only. We write the expression only without result. In A, 30 drives 26 miles on Monday and 90 miles on Tuesday. 26 and means here plus 90. We write the expression only. طيب عمرو try with me and see. 7
This is
7 plus 7 plus we write
the quotient of 22.
yes. Firstly
7 plus
7 plus quotient means
divide.
divide
27 divide 9.
72 divided
72
by 9. Okay. And here we can put brackets because the sum, and we find the result of the quotient firstly, and then after that we add. يعني. طيب D جوز.
يعني مستر
Yes.
ما اكتبش
No,
الانسر
no,
يعني
no.
اكتب
Without
الكويشن
answer.
بس.
Without answer. Here only write the expression only. Without result. Okay. D. Joe's divided 12 party favors equally among 6 friends. Divided and equally. What is the sign we use يا جماعة؟ Divided and equally. These words
divide.
represent divide. طب أمجد يلا يا أمجد. Write the expression. عبد الرحمن.
12
12
divided by 6.
divide by 6. Yes, only. Thank you. Okay, E. E. تناحي. Monkey had 20 had $20. She spent $5 on lunch and $10 at the bookstore. Hmm.
It would be 20
She had 20. Hmm. She spent here, plus or minus?
minus
Minus, good. Hmm. She spent
5,
$5 and $10. Huh?
5
5
plus 10,
plus 10. Yes, good. Okay. Yasin Sadat. Isabel bought a dozen. What's the meaning of dozen, guys? You know? Dozen.
No.
Right. Dozen here means
A
12.
lot.
No, dozen means 12. Word dozen means 12. Okay?
طيب ماشي.
Isabel bought a dozen bottles of water at 65 cents each. Each from the words of,
تبقى
huh?
65 times the N.
Yes, multiplication. It will be, huh?
$65
12.
12
12 multiply 60.
multiply
65. Yes. This guy is a numerical expression. This is a numerical expression. طيب. Now, the algebraic expression. Take care. Write an algebraic expression and tell what the variable represent. Only the difference in the algebraic expression, يا جماعة, we have unknown number. We have unknown number. This situation of the unknown number, we will put any letter you choose from your choice, as you like. N, H, K, T, O, as you like. We put, for example, here, Nathan had 11 shirts. He grew out of some. This is the unknown number of them, and bought 2 more. To write this expression, take care. Nathan had 12 shirts. We start by 11. 11. He grew out of some of them. Firstly, grow out. Plus or minus?
Plus.
Grow out. Grow out.
minus
Minus. يبقى 11 minus some. I don't know here what is the number of shirts he grew out. We put any letter in this place. Any letter. And then bought 2 more. More means plus or minus.
Sister, are you in the second paper?
Now, يعني, this PowerPoint, you saw the screen?
I can see only the
I
first.
can see the screen, but
Sorry?
we're seeing the screen that has the questions, not we answered. The one we answered, not the screen
طيب I'll
of the
show it.
lesson.
طيب I'll show it again يا جماعة. حاضر. Wait. You show the screen now?
Yes.
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 Right, okay. Okay, again. Nathan had 11 shirts. He grew out of some of them and bought 2 more. This expression will be 11. This is the number of shirts he had. He grew out some of them. Grow out means minus. And some here I choose letter N. طبعا you can write any letter, no problem, in this place. And then bought 2 more. More means plus. يبقى plus A, 2. This is the expression. 11 minus N plus 2. And the N here represent what? In this situation, represent the number of shirts he
Presents
grew out.
algebraic expression.
This is called algebraic expression. يبقى the difference between the numerical expression and the algebraic expression, in the algebraic expression we have unknown number. We have number we don't know. What's this number? For that, we put letter in this place. Okay? طيب, for example, another example. Take care. D had some books. Some books. She was given 9 more books. Huh? What is this expression, يا جماعة? D had some books. We don't know the number of books she had. For that, we put letter in this place. Any letter. Any letter. And then she was given 9 more books. More here means plus or minus.
Plus
Yes, yes, plus, right, right. For that, we write, for example, K plus 9. I choose here K. You can write any letter in this place. يبقى K plus 9. And the K here represent the number of books D had. This is the number of books she had. طيب, another example يا شباب. Walter made some granola bars. He divided them equally among 8 bags. Firstly, we don't know the number of granola bars she had. Some. Walter made some granola bars. For that, we put any letter in this place. He divided them equally among 8. For example, like this one. H, we put letter H in this place. Divided equally means divide by 8. And H here represents the number of granola bars she made. Right, another one. 16 miniature cars divided equally into a number of display cases. See, here he write the letter you will use. Here we must use C because here he writes C. 16 divided by C. And C, oh, why you write N? Okay, and C here represents the number of display cases. يبقى يا جماعة only in the algebraic expression we have unknown number. You will put any letter from your choice in this place. طيب. Take care. Now in our sheet, the second page, write an algebraic expression. Write an algebraic expression and tell
Mister,
what is the variable represent. Yes.
A and B, C and F are in the thing that you just made us see.
Sorry?
PowerPoint.
The PowerPoint had A, B, and C and F.
Oh, we don't have دي يعني؟ طيب sorry يا جماعة. يلا now in our sheet يا جماعة. يلا concentrate in our sheet. Write the algebraic expression. Nathan had 11 shirts. He grew out some of them and bought 2 more. Huh? Who can write the expression?
Me.
Yes, okay. Huh?
Will be 11 minus
11 minus
K
K, okay. Huh?
plus
And
2.
plus 2. Plus 2. But here we put
Can I answer
11.
the next one?
Okay, Gama, wait, please. We write 2 brackets here because we grow out firstly, then after that put 2 more. For that we put this in 2 brackets. طيب. Here also you want what is the variable represent, what is the letter represent. K here represent what? You will find it in the sentence. K represents
the number of shirts.
number
of
of
shirts.
shirts he grew out. He grew out. This is the number of shirts he grew out. Okay. طيب. The next one. The next one.
Can I
حبيبة. حبيبة.
A
Yes,
plus
D.
A.
D had some books. She was given 9 more books. Huh? Tell me the expression.
K K plus A.
K. Sorry.
K plus 9.
K plus ماشي plus 9. Okay. Because here more means plus. And the K represents the number of books.
مستر هو مش معنى هو ليه بيستخدم كي
As you like يا حبيبي. Use any letter. Use any letter in the place you have unknown number. يعني here D had some books. I don't know how many books here. We put letter in this place. Okay. Number of books D had. طيب C. C.
Can I do it again?
Wait please.
Mister, can I answer?
حاضر wait يا جماعة. Wait please. ملك.
Yes, mister.
Yes ملك. ها. Read. Walter.
Walter made some granola bars. He divided them equally among 8 bags.
Had made some granola bars. We choose any letter to put it in this place as you like. What is the letter you want?
K.
Also K. What's your name? مالك يلا use M. ايه رايك use M. use M. M.
M.
يلا. He divided them
Plus
equally.
9.
He divided them equally among 8 bags. Divided them equally. What is the operation you will use?
Minus.
Divided them equally. Divided. Huh? Divide.
Plus.
Divided يا ملك. Divide. Divide. There's a word. Divide. Use the division. Divide. He divided them equally among 8. يبقى divided by
By
8.
8.
That's only. Okay. And the M here represent the number of granola bars.
Bars Walter made.
Yes, number of
Granola bars
bars he made. Walter made.
Walter made.
He made. Okay. Huh. D. Eric is 7 years younger than Paul. Younger than like less than. Plus or minus or multiply or divide. Younger than. Like less than. Like smaller than. What is the operation you will use, guys? Sorry, I can't hear.
Minus.
Minus. Good. Minus. And if you have less than, younger than, smaller than, shorter than, all these minus, and you start by the number after them or the letter after them. يعني هنا يا جماعة Eric is 7 years younger than Paul. We use the letter first.
K minus.
The letter firstly. For example,
7.
H minus 7. Yes.
7.
Yes, we start by the word, by the letter, by the number after them. طيب, and the H here represent
It
the age,
represents year
the age of
of Paul.
Yes. Oh, Paul. Okay. The next one. 3 times a number of words W in a spelling list. 3 times. What's the meaning of times? Times. Plus, minus, multiply, divide.
Multiply.
زين. هي زين.
Multiply.
زين.
Yeah, Mister.
Yes, yeah, زين.
Three
3 times. Times
number
means?
multiply.
Yes, good. يبقى 3. Multiply. Here he give you the letter you will use. W, yes. 3 multiply W. And the W here represent the number of words in the spelling list.
Spelling list.
Mister, can I do the next one?
Okay. Spelling list. Okay. F. Yes. Answer.
Can we do it?
Yes, do. 16 miniature
16
cards
divided
divided equally into number of display cases C.
16 divided C.
16 divided C. Okay. And C here represents number
Presents number
of display cards. Cases. Display cases. Okay. Take care, guys. Now, the opposite. The third exercise represents the opposite of the second exercise. He give you the expression and you will write the sentence in words. Write an algebraic expression in words. For example, 4n minus 9. I want to write it in words. You can write it by more than one way على فكرة. يعني مثلا for example you can write
مستر هي الشاشة مستر اتحركت.
sorry you don't see the screen يا جماعة. طيب خلاص اوكي okay no problem no problem no
we
problem
see
no problem no problem you see the sheet now. You see the sheet. طيب okay. Exercise number 3. 4n minus 9. I want to write it in words. We can write it, for example, what's the meaning of 4n? If you have number and the letter by this way, it means multiply يا جماعة. يعني 4n means 4 multiplied by n. يعني we can write it by this way. 4 times n minus 9. It's right. You can write by this way. For example, the product, because the product means multiply. The product of 4 and n minus 9. It's right. Or, for example, we can write it by this way. The difference, because here we have minus. The difference between the product of 4 and n minus 9. All this right.
Mister,
And here,
I can't understand.
here you can write it by any way as you like. 4n means multiply. You can write 4 times n minus 9. It's right. طب the next يا جماعة. Huh? Who can write it? 17 plus k over 7 over 5. Firstly, what is the meaning of k over 5? K over 5.
Divide.
Yes, divide. Good. طيب, you can write it by this way. 17 plus
Plus
the quotient.
the product of K
The
Plus
quotient.
divide
Divide
is the
the
quotient.
result. The result of the division is called the quotient. The quotient of k and 5. Okay. طب the next one, it's easy. H plus 5. You can write it. H plus plus 5. You can write it the sum of h and 5. This also right. Now the sum
H
of
to 5.
h
Instead, can
and
it be H added to
yes, right, h and 5. You can write it if h added to 5. All this right. Okay, يعني هنا يا جماعة you can write by your way, no problem يعني. Okay. This our lesson today يا شباب.
مستر في حاجة مستر أنا مش عارف بس أشوف منها الكتابة. في حاجة محطوطة بس أنا مش عارف أشوف منها الكتابة.
حبيبي, you have the model answer in your SMS. You have the model answer in your SMS. You can check it. Okay يا شباب. This our lesson today. We have homework in your notebook, in your practice book يا جماعة.
Page 25 or 24?
Yes.
24, right?
Also, you will find it in your SMS also. Okay يا شباب.
Okay.
See you tomorrow إن شاء الله.
Mister, what page is the homework?
The homework in your practice book. Check it in your SMS. You will find it. Okay. Bye.
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 Bye.